load a micropipetter, open up the tip box, hold the micropipetter vertically in order to place the tip firmly on the end. It's good to have it at eye level so that you can see what you're doing. You're going to depress the plunger to the first stop position, which is your first point of resistance. Put the pipette tip into the solution, and in a fluid motion, slowly draw up the solution that you wish to transfer. Pick up the tube you want to dispense it in, press down to release the solution. You can press to the second stop to release the last little bit. You want to use your thumb to depress the plunger to the first stop or the first point of resistance. A common mistake is to go past this point to the second stop. When you do so, what happens is you actually draw up an excess in the volume.